Welcome to RR Corporates. Stay ahead with smart investing strategies. We will discuss on smart investing strategies. IMF recognizes Bitcoin as a digital gold, but be aware. Bitcoin gains global recognition, but Forex and crypto remain risky with India's 30% tax. Caution is advised. There are 5 pillars for smart investing. We will discuss one by one. The first one is focus on long term because time is an investor's biggest asset. Market cycles are common, these are all temporary, but discipline investment drives lasting growth. Stay invested and focus on the bigger picture. And second pillar is avoid timing the markets. Emotional trading that leads to mistakes. A systemic investment plan is required. A systemic investment plan with Rupee cost, which is averaging, ensures steady growth regardless of market condition. So discipline is the most important. Emotional trading, we have to avoid. And third pillar is control what you get. So markets are unpredictable, but discipline is the most important. Stick to your own strategy. Don't go by emotion. Control what you can. Fourth pillar, stay calm during downturns. Think it may be an opportunity for you. Market corrections create an opportunities. Long-term investors who stay patient and invested benefit from future recoveries. So the downtrends may be opportunities. Fifth pillar is quality over hype. Avoid chasing trends or speculation. What is your fundamental strong? Focus on fundamentally strong stocks with a long-term potential. Don't think of short-term hype. These are all 5 pillars for smart investing. Focus on long-term, avoid timing the market, control what you can, stay calm during downturns, quality over hype. These 5 are the pillars of smart investing. Then price is what you pay, value is what you get. So investors often chase overvalued stocks and ignore undervalued opportunities. When market is very high, when it is overvalued, some investors will invest. They will attempt and invest. Focus on intrinsic value for real wealth creation. Understanding debt versus equity. So analyze cash flow and profitability before investing. The major market triggers Trump's tariff policies. And there is an RBI policy meet on 9th April. And quarterly results are going to come. Annual results are going to come. 25-26 outlook. And global geopolitical events. These are all market triggers. You have to carefully watch. And you observe how the market performed during the year. Gold, so plus 31.37%. Silver performed plus 35.56%. Crude oil, minus 13.69%. And if you see Nifty, plus 5.29 and Sensex, plus 4.96%. Bank Nifty, plus 9.16%. And USD, with Indian rupee, plus 2.57 rupee depreciation. This is how the market performed. And avoid costly mistakes. Never buy in FOMO. That is, never buy in emotional. At the same time, never sell with a panic. JP Morgan says bear markets return stocks to rightful owners. That is an opportunity. Bear markets are an opportunities for rightful owners. And there are RBI's 2025 policy meetings in month of April, 7th to 9th, June 4th to 6th, August 5th to 7th, September month 29th to October 1st, December 3rd to 5th. So these are all investors has to watch. So we have to wait and watch before the meetings. Where do Indians invest? If you see the data, as of now, the Indians are investing real estate in 51.3%, in the gold 15.2%, bank deposits 13.3%, in equity 5.8%. Still, equity participation is growing with 5.8%. Insurance funds 5.7%. Indians are investing in pension funds 5.7%. In cash 3%. These are the structure how the Indians are investing now. Foreign investors market moves. FI's status. Foreign institutional investors just taken long exposure up to 60,054 contracts. It is increased. Short exposure is down. 90,609 contracts down. If you see Nifty, open interest 80,047 contracts. Bank Nifty, open interest 44,757 contracts. Stocks to track for short term or medium term gains. This is only advice. Ajanta Soya, Akar Auto, Aries Agro, Bajaj Steel, Chennai Ferrous, Downier Industries, Dynamic Products, Fredon Pharma, Gujarat Intrax, HAL, Indo Amines, IOLCP, IRB Infra, Loyal Equipments, Pennar Industries, Samrat Pharmachem, Smriti Organics, Talbros Engineering, Zenith Fibers. These are the stocks to track for short-term, medium-term gains. Stay invested, stay smart. Investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay disciplined. Think for long-term investments and avoid emotional decisions. Subscribe for more market insights and analysis. Thank you. Now the disclaimer. The information provided in the presentation is for educational and informational purpose. Investors should conduct their own research, evaluate market trends, consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Because stock market investments are subject to risk, including market volatility and regulatory changes. Past performance does not guarantee future results. We are not responsible for any financial losses incurred based on information presented here. Thank you.